Hello everyone, welcome to 24 NEET. Today we will start a new topic of physics which is important for NEET, and the topic is optics. There are two questions from optics come into the NEET exam. In this video we will talk about the topic of ray optics. This is the series of ray optics in which I'll tell you about some tips and tricks by which you can solve the problem of ray optics very easily. Today's topic is reflection. So without wasting time, let's get start. First, we should know what is the reflection. So there is a surface on which the light ray fell down. We call this ray incident light ray. This is medium 1 and this is medium 2. This is incident light ray. The light ray doesn't lie in the medium 2, it reflects and lie on the same medium. Means just like this. This is called reflected light ray. In the incident light ray, normal this is the normal N1 N2. The incident light ray, normal and reflected light ray, all three lie in the same plane. This phenomena is called reflection. After reflection, velocity, wavelength, frequency are same, but the intensity of light decreases. After reflection, the intensity of light decreases while velocity, wavelength, frequency are same. So this is the angle of incident and that is angle of reflection. Angle of incident and angle of reflection will be same. I is equal to R. Reflection from plane mirror. Now we'll talk about reflection from plane mirror. This is the mirror. There is an object. There is an image. Image object. This is mirror. If a person is stand here, so velocity, if the object is move on this side and the mirror move on this side, velocity of object with respect to mirror is equal to minus velocity of image with respect to mirror. the distance between object and mirror and the distance between mirror and image is same. For moving object and mirror, the formula is velocity of image with respect to ground minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground is equal to minus velocity of object with respect to ground minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground. This is the formula. Now we will understand it by an example. There is a mirror, it is the man and its image. The man moving towards mirror with the speed of 5 meter per second and the mirror moving towards man with the speed of 5 meter per second. Okay, so what is the velocity of image? We put the value in the formula and get it. Vi minus, because the mirror moving on opposite direction, so minus 1 is equal to minus velocity of object 5 minus velocity of mirror minus 1. Vi plus 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 1. Vi plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Vi is equal to minus 6 minus 1. Vi is equal to minus 7 meter per second. This is all about reflection and reflection from plane mirror. So this is the first topic of ray optics. I tried my best to explain about reflection. I already completed chapter laws of motion. To watch the videos of laws of motion, click on this playlist. For all short tricks, click on this playlist. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.